Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking in on Thabo Bester, the man who faked his death in a prison fire, escaped, and went on the run. So, where is Thabo Bester now? Let's break it all down. Thabo Bester is a South African convicted murderer and rapist who was sentenced to life in prison. He earned infamy for using Facebook to lure victims, and his case exploded when he was reported to have died in a prison cell fire in May 2022, only for it later to turn out he escaped custody from Mangaung Correctional Center. He orchestrated a complex plan, fake death, alleged cover-ups, and after staying missing for months, he was arrested in Arusha, Tanzania, in April 2023, along with his partner, Dr. Nandifa Magudumana. The case drew massive attention because of the many holes in reporting, rumors, and allegations about how he got away, who helped him, and what timeline was true. Where is Thabo Bester now? He is back in South Africa, in custody, at Kegosi Mampuru 2 Central, Maximum Correctional Center, in Pretoria, CMAX section. He's under 24/7 surveillance. He's serving out his life sentence there again after being recaptured. The Department of Correctional Services has confirmed he's taking meals, meaning he is being fed and held in custody. He's not been returned to the original prison where he escaped from. He has raised concerns about his safety, and some reports say he feared being poisoned. But official updates show he is alive and in prison. Thabo Bester's story is wild. From prison to escape to capture, and raises so many questions about prison security, corruption, and how someone can fake their death so convincingly. Now that he's back behind bars, many want full accountability, transparency, and answers. What do you think was justice served in recapturing him? Or are there still bigger issues to address? Let me know in the comments.